Hey kids, what if I told you some animals have real-life superpowers? Prepare to be amazed. Did you know a chameleon's tongue is twice as long as its body? It shoots out faster than you can blink to catch yummy bugs. Here's something super cool. The humble tardigrade or water bear can survive in space, frozen ice, and even intense radiation. And check this out. A tiny mantis shrimp has punches so powerful, they create bubbles of light and heat in the water. Isn't that wild? Want to discover more incredible animal secrets?